You guys like my controller overlay? I just made that shit like yesterday. Pete. Let's go. Got you out. Oh, no way. Let me guess, someone DC'd in your match. I had that shit happen. No? Oh, my bad.
Over here! Hello!
Oh, there we go, baby. I feel like I'm getting sticked or not. Which one's that? You survived. You probably play with Vapor though. Vapor plays console a lot. I don't play console because I don't have Plus.
38, 46, 26.
Dude, how's going on? That was the last line.
Probably co-op.
It's probably co-op.
Hello!
Oh, so it's... I got you, bro. I got you.
The creature is near.
What do we get stuck for, bro?
What I get stuck on?
I can feel a constant aura of uneasiness while walking through this tunnel.
I thought that was this right here. I was gonna loop him right here, but it was a single train, but I fucked that.
Pretty stupid, man.
I knew there was a tape.
This can't be it. This is disgusting.
Yeah, sorry, Jay. I didn't have my chat open like all stream because I just figured no one's gonna watch.
Guess what? I have another one.
Over here!
Oh, twinsies! Well, I can't put there, damn.
Hey, on face right there. Watch.
Go for it, go for it. Nice.
Still.
Batteries. Oh, you think you'll be fine in here by yourself or what? Yeah. I got stuck.
It's more like right outside.
I'll be back. Could take that. Oh, I don't see a battery anyway.
You missed one.
Oh, it's like that's like the
right here.
Oh, he's outside now.
It's over here. Come on, it's right there behind that.
Hello?
Bro, I did not hear it. I was fucking talking. I fucking hate you.
Over here.
Thank you.
Hello?
Go to your right. I think he's inside.
get out of this fucking building, bro. I'm so tired of it.
Oh, I see him. I saw him.
How the fuck you see me?
Bro, I saw you.
Bro, you're cheating. How you're cheating?
Invisible wall hacks or what? I need batteries, dude. I need my speed. You should have been Corey, yeah.
How?
Over here! Over here!
Keep running. Keep running. He's still chasing me.
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Over here!
My reaction time's on point, bro.
Bro,
This is extremely dangerous. Anyone can get already helping.
With the controller too, that's weird.
Hey!
Oh, I can't, but that's it. And I can't curve around, like, this is crazy.
Use it. You got it.
Over here! You go ahead.
Make it! Okay, I got it. Hold on.
oh my god.
Go for the make it, I got you. Use it. Get your ass over here. Bring that ass here, boy. Go use your own face. Use it. No. Take me to the food. Oh, thank
Over here!
The blade seems really unstable. Electric spikes happen extremely often. I should find the generator and shut it off.
you. I saw him. He's right there.
No, you
Behind
didn't.
you.
It's a bad.
Where is it?
Like right here.
Where is it? Oh, there's a. It's a man without a coming actual soldier. Oh, I love Witcher Man. That's like one of my favorite maps. Not gonna lie. Abby was back in the I love Abby too. ass break.
Alright.
I just have to switch this thing on, and the whole system will overload. Okay, careful.
It's right here. Why is it right here?
That's us.
Come here.
Zach, come on.
Redeem your honor. Loop right here. Loop right here.
I did what you told me to do. Okay.
Why did you listen?
Because I have face muscles.
Behind you.
Did I live you around this door? Right here.
Oh god.
I'm about to fix the one. Oh, this bullshit. That's some bullshit right there.
Rosens.
Yeah.
I forgot to record.
What did you forgetting, bro?
I'm just kidding. I did record these nuts.
Did you really?
Yeah.